Okay, welcome back to Dan versus Jeep. This is part two of an update, I should say, to the LED blinker lights. So apparently I'm a dumb. Uh, they only go in one way. I didn't ever notice that on my the standard ones, the halogen ones I have here, unless I got really lucky every time I took them out and put them back in on like previous vehicles, that is. But no, they work pretty good now, so I'll give you a little demonstration. I need that. It's Sunday. It's Jeep Day and beer day. So, fire this magnificent steel beast back up. So, here's the running lights. Way brighter. Way brighter. It's a little harder to tell in the daylight, but I can definitely notice the difference. I can't wait to see these at night. So we'll do the left blinker here. Oh yeah. And the right blinker. Much better. I love it. So I'm thrilled. So it was a success after all. I thought I screwed up. Well, I kind of did, but so there you go. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and everyone have a great day.